I will talk about how can you link with accounts on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above here your photo profile, click on it. When just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click in this sign. When you just click here in this sign, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down, you keep going down here, come here to here your social here, and here can you link it with your social here on your Audiomack. When you down, just go up or save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,